Hello, grade schoolers. Welcome to our fun and exciting lesson on subtraction. Today, we'll explore the world of subtracting and learn the basics of this essential mathematical operation. So, get ready to dive in and have some subtracting fun. Our goal today is to understand the value of subtraction, as well as the different parts and terminology involved. By the end of this lesson, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently subtract numbers. What is subtraction? Let's begin by understanding what subtraction actually means. Subtraction is a mathematical operation we use when we want to find the difference between two numbers. It's like taking away or removing objects or quantities from a total group. When we subtract, we work with three important terms: the minuend, the subtrahend, and the difference. The minuend is the number we start with. The subtrahend is the number we take away, and the difference is the result we get after subtracting. Let's try an example to see subtraction in action. Imagine you have 8 candies, and you give away 3. How many candies will you have left? We can represent this with a subtraction equation. 8 minus 3 equals. Can you solve it? Take a moment to subtract 3 from 8. There are two ways of writing subtraction problems: horizontal and vertical. Horizontal means going from left to right, like this. Vertical means going from top to bottom, like this. Both ways are correct and give the same answer, but sometimes one way might be easier or more convenient than the other. For example, when we have bigger numbers or more digits, it might be easier to write them vertically and line up the digits according to their place value. To become subtraction experts, practice is key. You can solve several subtraction problems on your own, with the help of your teachers or even with your friends and family. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process of learning. Great job, grade schoolers! Today, we learned that subtraction helps us find the difference between two numbers. We also explored the meaning of minuend, subtrahend, and difference. Remember that practice is essential, so keep sharpening your subtraction skills. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you had fun learning about subtraction. Now go out there and continue exploring the wonderful world of mathematics. Happy subtracting!